Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Princess of Smile, written by Smiley Doll. One day, the old man is walking in the jungle. There was a sound of baby crying. The old man heard a sound and thought that it may be a cat sounds like this. Then again he starts his steps forward. Soundly the sound is rises, and the old man clearly listening the sound. He suddenly stopped forward towards the noisy direction. There he found one baby is under the tree. After seeing the old man, baby stopped crying and smiles with glowing face. God gives the life. Life teaches the lesson. Baby gives the innocent smile. The old man clearly watched around the jungle. No one is around them. He took the baby. By seeing her smiley face, the old man suddenly smiled because he feels happiness inside the heart. But he is thinking about her parents and why they leave the baby in the jungle. Keep thinking and way back to his step. The old man cannot able to reach his hunt on time because of delay happened in his way, and he think to stay in the jungle for night. So he prepared a small bed to sleep under the tree. He feels hungry. Starts searching in his bag. There is some bread and a bottle of milk. He gave the bottle of milk to the baby and he eat bread, but still he feels hungry. Then he slept left side of the baby. Suddenly in the middle of the night the baby was smiling loudly. The old man heard noise of baby. He wake up and see the baby's face. He was shocked by seeing the beauty of the baby glowing like a star in the night, and the light comes from the sky to the tree. There was a lady with white long dress and face glowing like a moonlight. She is walking near the baby and lift the baby in her hand. The old man's heartbeat rises suddenly. He feels that it is a dream, and the ladies call the old man. Thanks for taking care of my baby. The old man asks, who are you? Where are you from? Why you leave your baby in the jungle? The lady was smiled at the old man. She prepared some food for old man with using her power, and she feeding the baby. After that she asked the old man, have you done with your food? The old man says, yes, and again he is asking the question repeatedly towards the lady. The lady again smiles, then she says, I am from the heaven and I am moon goddess. My name is Luna. This is my baby, God's gift. I can't able to raise my baby in my world, so please take care of my baby. The old man said that, I have no place to live and I have no way of my life. Then who could I raise your baby well? Then Luna said, you can get everything by your goodness. And she named her baby as Amaris. Amaris is promised by God. Suddenly Luna left the Amaris to the old man. Glowing Mother Luna with glowing moon star Amaris. The old man kept thinking about Luna's words and his sleep by holding the Amaris. The sun rise, the old man takes Amaris in his hand and keep walking in his way. He seeing the Amaris smiling face. Suddenly there is a village with wonderful garden. He kept walking inside the village. Everyone in the village throw the flower to welcome the old man and Amaris. There is place filled with flower plant of garden, and the old man see the long pathways to the beautiful house near the lake. He noted that there is a board hanging in the wooden stick named as Amaris. The old man was shocked and stepped inside the house. There are some servants who works in this house. All welcome the Amaris and bless with their golden words. Amaris was God's baby. She is already blessed by the God and she grows kind-hearted, beautiful, love girl. The days runs faster and old man and Amaris live their life peaceful in the beautiful village. Now the baby girl is 16 years old. She helped the village people and her grandpa. She never feels sad. All the village people likes Amaris, and treating her as their own child, they call the Amaris as Princess of Smile. She always sit under the tree near the lake in flower garden and watching the moon in the sky. She don't know who is her parents. Her mother Luna is protecting her baby from the sky and watching the growth of her baby, and Luna feels happy of Amari's goodness. Suddenly one day Princess feels missing her parents, and first time she is asking to her grandpa about her mom and dad. He tells, "Your mom is in heaven and watching you." Amaris keeps thinking about her mom and standing near the lake tree. She feels sad. There she hears one different animal sound near the lake. She goes near to the animal and lifts the animal in her hand. That is unicorn little baby. Princess take the unicorn under the tree, and unicorn is wounded in the snake. Princess feels sad about unicorn pain, and she touches the wound with her kindness, then thinking about the way of heal. When Princess teared first time in sorrow, the wound was recovered and Princess was shocked and also feels happy. She hugged the unicorn with a smile, and Princess named the unicorn as Sparkle. She takes Sparkle to see her grandpa. Princess got one friend in her age of 17. She feels happy and takes Sparkle as her birthday gift from her mom. Princess rides in the unicorn and she takes good care on him. Little star blink in the sky to show his happiness, and little princess smiles in the land to show her kindness. Princess tells to Sparkle about her parents by sitting under the tree and watching the sky. She slept under the tree. Then Sparkle takes the princess to the house by going in the way there is stone. Carelessness of Sparkle, he left the princess in the land. Princess got little bigger wound in her leg. Sparkle was shocked and immediately taking the princess to the house and gives the louder sound for calling everyone in the house. All are shocked by seeing the princess' situation. Sparkle prepared the medicine for the princess, but she didn't take up. Village people all feel sorrow that Sparkle also feels bad about his carelessness. Grandpa suddenly think about Luna and he don't know how to say Amari's situation. He is telling to the Sparkle about the Amari's parents. Sparkle rushed to the lake and making sound by seeing the moon in the sky, but he cannot able to get Princess mom. All the day Sparkle going to the lake and watching the moon for whole night. Days running, weeks running, there is no importance in Princess' health. After 2 weeks, the Sparkle suddenly leave the princess, and Grandpa runs towards the lake and put the princess under the tree. Then watching the sky, there is light coming from the sky. Grandpa was happy to see the light, and there is Luna coming from the far distance. Luna comes near the Amaris and lifts in her hand, healing the wound by using her power. And staying full night to Amaris. Luna don't want to leave her little princess, but it's time to go. So she leaves the little princess, putting the message to the grandpa. Tomorrow is Amaris' birthday. Decorate the lake, tree and flower garden for my little princess. She waves to her world. Next day everything is ready to celebrate Princess' 18th birthday, but all looks sad about Princess' situation. Time comes to see her mom. Luna is coming with her gift and take the Amaris in her hand. Then Amaris lightly open her eyes. When she is opening her eyes, she feels secure and happy in her hand. Beautiful face with glowing moonlight. And seeing around the place, its garden is decorated with lights. Grandpa and Sparkle, everyone is smiling to see Amaris' health. Princess stands in her leg, and Grandpa says, "This is your mom, Luna." Princess smiles and hugs Luna, and feels happy in her heart. Then everyone is congregates to the princess's birthday. All wish and bless the princess with golden words. She feels surprised, happily celebrating her birthday with her mom. And mom asking Amaris, "What is your birthday wish?" "I will make for you." Amaris asks, "I want to be with you for rest of my life." Luna cannot able to satisfy her wish to see. Said, "I will make one person to take care of you, and I promise that I will come every day to see you at night. Then whenever you want to see me, you call through this whistle." Amaris understand her mom's situation and said, "Okay." Promised by God gifted child with a smile and glowing face. Thank you.